How to transfer USDT from Binance to Exness. So here's what we want to do. Load up your Binance app on your phone, and here we will click on wallet in the bottom right corner. So from here, what we want to do is select withdraw, and then you will click on withdraw crypto or withdraw fiat. Now from this section you will search for USDT. I'll show you for, as you can see, we have USDT. I'll show you for Litecoin because I have some Litecoin here already. So like I said, withdraw and crypto or fiat, and you will choose the currency. So just choose the currency itself and you will select send via crypto network. Now it's going to ask us for the address, the network, and the withdrawal amount. For the withdrawal amount, you can just click on max and it's gonna send you over your funds. Now, how do we find this network here on Exness? So I'll just show you this. This is a step-by-step guide. So we want to log into our Exness account and we will go to the deposit section. Then we will find our USD deposit address, USDT. So in the deposit section, we'll choose USDT like I showed you for the withdrawal, and they will ask you what network you want to use. So just choose the network and make sure you type it in the Binance section as well. And after selecting the network, Exness will generate a USDT deposit address for that network. We want to copy that address and paste it where I just showed you. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.